Hi, welcome to this one. Now, in this one, basically, we are trying to help you get your quick answer to your SQL interview questions. So, basically, in the interview questions, one of the very common questions that keep coming is what is the difference between the roll number, the rank, and then the dense rank? So, basically, we have basically run this query. We have already written this query. I mean, you could also replicate it if you want to, but if you just want a quick answer, you could already have it. So the idea here is we have these three window functions, the row number, the rank, and the dense rank, which is basically helping to do some kind of positioning in a data set. So here basically we have this data where we have we're basically trying to rank the different items based on the bottle volume, right? So here we're trying to rank based on the bottle volume. And so when we apply the row number, here we apply the row number, and then we apply the rank, and then we apply the dense rank. On all this, the application of all these functions, we notice that the ranking is kind of different, right? So basically the row number ranks when there is a tie, it doesn't care. So basically what it does is it just basically chooses one of the ties to be the highest number, and then the second one, and then it's basically like that. So it doesn't really care about a tie. It just basically looks for either one of the tie, and it gives them, the number one, and then the number two, and then the number three, like in this case. And then also you notice like there is another tie here. It doesn't care which of them, it gives them 8 and 9. This is very different from the rest of the two. So where in the rest of the two, basically when there is a tie, they maintain the same position, right? So here you see like there is a tie of 6,000 in the first three cases. You can see that this is a tie. So here we have 111 and then 111 in the rank and in the dense rank position, scheme. And then also in this case, you have 3,500 for row 8 and 9. And then basically here, what you see is it gives like 8, 8 and 5, 5 position. So which means that when there is a tie, it gives them the same position. However, what happens that is different between the rank and the dense rank is when there is a tie, the rank position basically looks at, okay, so I have given 3 positions, 1, 1, 1, and then I do not have second and I do not have third position. So the next position will be 4th. And so this is how the rank position works. So it goes to 4, it goes to 5, and then there is another tie. So you have 6, 6. But then, because it has taken 6, it already knows like, okay, so I gave 6 and, kind of 7 position. So the next position is 8. And then it goes to the next position is 8, 8. And also it notices like, okay, I kind of gave something that looks like a 9. So the next position is 10. And this is the idea of the rank position. However, this is slightly different from dense rank. So he basically keeps the same logic of saying that when there is a tie, it assigns the same position, but then in the next occurrence, then it is, given the second position. So here you have the first, and then you have the second. It doesn't care that the fact that it already gave 3 different cases, the first position. So the next position is the second. And then it gives the third. And then also when there is a tie, it gives 4, 4, and also basically moves to the 5th. So this is the difference of, the way these functions work. I wish you the best in your SQL interview. See you next one. Bye-bye. Subscribe and like the channel. Thank you.